Welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that 372 XP X TORQ. That's that newest 372 with the high torque motor. We'll take a close-up look at some of the features this saw has. It does have a 24-inch bar and chain. That's a new bar and chain, 3/8 pitch, 050 gauge, and a sprocket nose. Kill switches on the left, chokes on the right, has the operator presence lever. It won't throttle up unless your hand's in place. Side load on your fuel reservoir as well as your oil reservoir. Features a hand protector here and a foot pad. Works as a hand protector. In case of a chain throwing incident, it helps protect your hand. Functions as a foot pad when starting this high compression motor. On the ground, foot in place. Good grip on the handlebars. Push the decompression valve located on top, push it in, and you can start this high compression motor. Working chain brake. Large falling spikes, inside and outside. Chain tensioner. Loosen the two nuts up. Right on the side, easy to get at. Of course, has that wrap handlebar. Very popular chainsaw. High performance.